We've all seen or heard about those macho daredevils breaking a concrete block on a volunteer's chest with a sledgehammer. Most likely, it was a stuntman in a live circus, or a person setting a Guinness World Record on TV, or even that old Chinese master showing off his kung fu skills in a movie. Wherever it might be, this act is used to entertain and wow a group of spectators and show off a person's bravery. Bravery? Sure, to the untrained eye, the act does look like a piece of miracle when the volunteer stands up unharmed and alive. But to the mad scientists and physics geniuses like us, it's nothing more than a simple act where the person just got his physics right. The act of breaking a block of wood or concrete on a human chest does not prove anyone's realer, but surely it does verify Newton's first law of inertia. In one sentence, inertia means that objects like to keep on doing what they are doing. In other words, things that are at rest like to stay at rest, while things that are moving like to keep on moving. So, in a scenario where a concrete or cinder block is placed on a person's chest, the block is so massive that it has a lot of inertia or laziness. When the sledgehammer hits the block, it has so much inertia that it resists motion and absorbs the sudden blow of the hammer. It being weak, the block also breaks or explodes, and the transfer of kinetic energy ultimately warms the pieces. Hence, most of the kinetic energy of the sledgehammer is utilized in breaking the slab, and the momentum of the sledgehammer simply passes through the person to the earth. Because of all these principles of the universe, there is no force or impact felt by the human body, and the stunt can be performed safely. Another important factor that plays a life-saving role in this stunt is time. The block on the person's chest extends the time it takes to stop the downward motion of the hammer. Consequently, a lesser force is felt. This is very similar to an airbag in a car that minimizes injury and damage by causing you to stop less quickly. Without an airbag or the block, one could imagine the bloody scenario. Now that we know the physics behind this act of shattering a block on a human chest, we can definitely have Miss Sidhu perform this experiment in class someday. How cool would that be? And you need not worry, miss. The science is always on our side. Thanks for watching.